Welcome aboard, fellow financial adventurers. Today we embark on a thrilling journey through the unfiltered waters of financial news. In this ever-changing landscape, the key to success lies in staying updated and well-informed about the dynamic shifts that shape the investing and financial world. As the winds of change blow in our favor, we'll uncover actionable advice based on future insights to help you navigate these waters with confidence. So hoist your sails and brace yourself for a voyage filled with anecdotes, humor, and relatable content that'll keep you engaged throughout. The ever-evolving investing landscape. Just like a sailor must adapt to changing tides and weather conditions, investors must adjust their strategies to align with the evolving financial landscape. The horizon is painted with major shifts, from groundbreaking technological advancements to seismic climate changes, geopolitical upheavals, and societal transformations. Embracing these shifts is vital to spotting lucrative opportunities and avoiding potential pitfalls. In the spirit of unfiltered news, let's take a moment to appreciate the eccentricities of financial history. Remember the infamous tulip mania in the 17th century, where tulip bulbs reached astronomical prices, creating a speculative bubble that eventually burst? As humorous as it may sound now, it serves as a timeless reminder of the dangers of herd mentality and irrational exuberance in investing. Embrace the emerging trends, such as ESG investing, and consider the impact of technology and societal changes on your investment choices. Data-driven navigation. A modern-day sailor relies on navigational instruments and charts to find their way through treacherous waters. Similarly, in the information age, data has become the most valuable asset for investors. The abundance of data and advanced analytics tools allow us to uncover hidden gems amidst the vast ocean of financial information. Picture this: in a world where data analytics and artificial intelligence reign supreme, the Wall Street of yesteryears seems like an antiquated harbor. Today, algorithms and machine learning models churn through massive data sets at lightning speed, giving traders and investors an edge in identifying market trends and predicting price movements. Equip yourself with data analytics tools, economic indicators, and market sentiment analysis to make informed decisions. Sailing into uncharted territory, alternative investments. In the spirit of exploration, adventurous sailors dared to venture into uncharted waters, discovering new lands and treasures. In the same vein, investors seeking to diversify their portfolios are increasingly turning to alternative investments, beyond the traditional stocks and bonds. Think about it. In the past, the idea of investing in cryptocurrency or rare collectibles might have been scoffed at. Yet, as the winds of change blew, these alternative assets gained recognition and became legitimate investment options, offering unique opportunities for growth and risk mitigation. Consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to alternative assets like real estate, cryptocurrencies, or venture capital to reap the benefits of diversification. The navigator's compass, financial literacy. A sailor's compass is their lifeline, guiding them through stormy seas and unknown territories. Similarly, a solid foundation of financial literacy is the compass that guides you through the complexities of the financial world. A relatable anecdote comes to mind. Remember the first time you encountered financial jargon like compound interest or asset allocation. It probably felt like deciphering a foreign language. But fret not, as every seasoned sailor started as a novice, and every savvy investor began their journey by educating themselves. Invest time in improving your financial literacy through books, online courses, and seeking advice from experienced investors. The emotionally intelligent sailor. As any seasoned sailor will tell you, emotions can be your best friend or your worst enemy at sea. The same holds true in the world of investing, where emotions like fear and greed often cloud judgment. Here's a humorous tale: the infamous FOMO, fear of missing out, frenzy during the crypto boom of the 2010s. It seemed like everyone was scrambling to invest in the latest cryptocurrency, driven more by FOMO than rational analysis. As history shows, many sailors were left stranded on the rocky shores of losses. Develop emotional intelligence and stick to a well-thought-out investment plan, avoiding knee-jerk reactions to market fluctuations. As we part ways, let's reflect on a timeless proverb: knowledge is power. By staying informed, continuously learning and applying these insights, you hold the compass to steer your financial ship towards success. So, set your course, adjust your sails, and navigate the financial seas with wisdom and confidence. Bon voyage on your investing journey, and may your financial dreams set sail with you. Thank you for joining us on this epic adventure through the unfiltered world of finance. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights. Share your own anecdotes and experiences in the comments below, and together, let's navigate the financial seas with knowledge and humor. Until next time, smooth sailing, fellow sailors.